How you doing? My name's Tony. Together, my wife and I, we run Kettle Black Arts, and today we snuck on the set of Tony's Hands, a new cooking channel we're bringing to you on YouTube. Alright, so, but while we're here, we're got a new lens that I also want to use for the GoPro. I really can't wait to check it out, so I thought I'd open it here with you. And I want to say the name of the company is BGNing that I purchased this from. And of course it's not on the box, but that's okay. What matters is the product that's inside. So let's see what that is. Ooh, cleaning glove, always handy. Oh, and here it is, folks. No cover on the back, but that's alright. Scope it out. Lens cover. Ooh, and this lens is actually very, very clean. Very nice. Alright, let's scope that out. Very cool. I'll put the cover back on to keep it clean. Alright. Now here's the pretty picture of the back side. Blush, I know. There you go. So I can't wait to put this on the GoPro and see what kind of fisheye lens effects I can get with this. I think that'd be really, really cool. So yeah, look forward to see what comes up, man. And we'll see what we can do together. But I just want to open the box real quick and let you know what it is. Alright, so can't wait to try out this fisheye lens. Coming to you soon, Kettle Black Arts. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And don't forget, look for the new cooking channel called Tony's Hands. And this is what the set looks like. It's a great set, and we teach you how to cook. Alright, so please, like, share, subscribe again, hit that notification bell. Peace.